Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to search remote jobs on LinkedIn in three different ways. Well, LinkedIn is the biggest platform as we know for domestic and international jobs. So searching jobs here could be tricky because there could be thousands of jobs of your interest. So for this tutorial, we have used the LinkedIn mobile app. You can do the same thing on LinkedIn desktop version. We'll see step by step how we can search the remote jobs in three different ways. This is the home screen of LinkedIn. At the bottom, you'll find options of home, network, post. You have to click on jobs. So now when you click on jobs, you'll get two options to fill. One, search by title, and second for the location part. We'll see. First option is anywhere from the world. That means you're looking for a job which you can do sitting anywhere in the globe. So I'm typing anywhere from the world. For BODMAS rule, I'm keeping them in tabs. Since I'm open for any location, I'm typing worldwide. This is an important thing to note in case you want to see jobs posted for across globe. Just type worldwide. Here you can see there are jobs posted with the keywords anywhere from the world. Now what we'll do is that we'll go on filters and we'll filter by the jobs which are posted most recently. So the chances of getting noticed are higher. Since there are thousands of jobs posted here, we'll narrow down our search by adding another keyword anywhere from the world and another quotes, and I'll write, say for example, I want to search audit roles. Quotes closed, search. I'll see a lot of options specifically related to my audit role. This is the way I can filter roles of my own choice. We can put more and to specify our search. Now let's go for the second keyword. This is very important. So this time we'll use another keyword which is called fully remote. So I'll again do the same process. I'll write fully remote again in quotes in the start and quotes at the end of the word. Again, I need to search worldwide. So I'll put worldwide in location and I'll see again thousands of jobs listed here with the keyword which is fully remote. When I say fully remote, that means a job must have a word fully remote. Similar to previous one, we can add another keyword to narrow down our search. This time I want to search for fully remote and a role which is a finance related role. So what I did, I put an N. Again, I started with quotes, and with quotes, I can see jobs with fully remote and finance keywords. Same way, I'll go on all filters. I'll filter the jobs which are most recent jobs. In my opinion, you should always filter the jobs by not relevancy, but by the date posted. It'll give you better results. Just try it. So we have covered our two keywords. We'll now move to our third keyword. So the third keyword is just an extension and change of our second keyword. So instead of fully remote, I'll type 100% remote. Remember, instead of fully remote, we did 100% remote. And you'll see change in the results. Why 100% remote? Since we're looking for jobs which are posted worldwide, could be anywhere in the globe, we don't want to go office even 2 days a week. And that's why the term 100% remote. So friends, here we are with those three keywords which are an extension of the word remote. So with these three keywords, you can actually extend your search for virtual jobs. Please apply and good luck.